Single point latch measures 4.25 W x 5.5 liters x 0.75 D. Rust-resistant steel. More than just parts, from snow and ice equipment to toolboxes, hydraulics, towing, truck and trailer hardware to our innovative lighting products, it's amazing what Byers products can do for your truck. We do things the right way. We design products like we're building them for ourselves, because we are. Our teams are staffed with engineers and experts who know how to make a product exceptional. Durable and dependable. Founded in 1946, Byers Products has become a leader in the truck equipment industry through our commitment to customer care, innovation, and value across our range of products. Byers Products standard size rust-resistant flush mount rectangular paddle latch features a rust-resistant pan and a zinc-plated bolt assembly for added corrosion resistance. The lockable, rectangular latch is designed to mount into a 3/3/8 and by 4/5/8 in recess with a weld-on design. Top reviews from the United States. Good product. I had 2 boxes that already had the cutouts. These were a perfect fit. Did not need the lock type, so these were ideal for my project.